So guys, in this video we would be creating a kind of a PowerShell utility in our like a simple command line utility in our PowerShell in our Windows PowerShell terminal, which is available in Windows 10 or above. We would be writing a function in the PowerShell script which would help us to simply create a new Flask project. A minimal Flask project contains generally four files: an app.py file, which is a Python file, a static folder, a templates folder, and a virtual environment folder, which is generally with the name env. So we would be creating these four are common in all Flask apps. So we would be simply writing a utility in our PowerShell script which would help us to generate these four files. So for that I will open my terminal, my PowerShell window, by doing shift right click in a folder. This is the new folder which I have created for this course. So I will do open with code. Okay, sorry, not okay. So after also opening with code, I will open a new PowerShell terminal. As you can see, it is showing here Windows PowerShell. So I will do code $profile. This will open my file, my PowerShell profile file. This is the file I have used here. Code, you can also open it in Notepad or any other code editor. If you don't have this file, then you can create a new file, new PowerShell profile file. So it will give you the command. It will give you the command to create this new file. So this is the path. Here you can simply create that file. You just need to use the -4. Okay, this is the command. So this you can use to create your profile file, and after that you can execute this command to open this file in your source code editor or your Notepad simply. So after that I will write here a function. So this is some code of PowerShell, and the name of the function would be Flask app. So what this function would do is that simply if I write here echo hello, if I just save it, open a new PowerShell instance, this will work only if I open a new PowerShell instance. And if I do Flask app, then as you can see it is being executed. It is showing here hello. So inside that, first of all I will take the name of the project as input. So I will use read host. I think read host was the command. So I will just simply make a Google search here, read host PowerShell. Yeah, so I will be opening this documentation of PowerShell which is from Microsoft. Okay, this is the example. I will just copy this example. I will paste it here, and the name of the variable will be project name read host, and here I will write enter project name like this. After that I will create a new directory with the name which the user enters. So new directory PowerShell command I will search for, and it is new item. Again I will open the same documentation, and it will show me that how I can create a new directory. So yeah, this is -item type directory. So I will just try here new item minus is it minus okay, single minus item type directory hello. So yeah, as you can see it has been created. So I will just copy this command, will paste it here, item type directory, and the name is project name like this. I will delete this folder of course like this. And after that, so I will again test it. I will just delete these two. If I write here Flask app and enter the project name, suppose to-dos list, then as you can see, a new folder has been created. So now I will after that I will create another new folder inside that minus item type. Okay, so I will first of all cd uh, cd to dollar Raj name. So I will just test if it works or not, because I'm not sure. Hello. So yeah, it is cd, it is working, it is changing the directory to hello here. As you can see, I will delete these two. After that, after cd I will write here new item minus item type directory, and the name is static. After that I will just copy this and I will write here templates. And after this, after static and templates, I will create a new virtual environment by writing python minus m venv, which is the name of the virtual environment. Then I will activate it. Before activating, I will create a new item which would be app.py, and after that I will activate it env dot slash env slash script slash activate, like this. So this is kind of a utility. If I open a new PowerShell instance, and if I just execute this command, enter project name to-dos list, then I think it will, yeah, it has created a folder and it is generating my files, the static templates, and creating the virtual environment and also the app.py file. So I hope that you are clear that how we have created a utility which would give us the minimal Flask project structure, which contains templates.py file, and also it has activated here, as you can see. And after activating, I will just do cls, so that all these are just removed from my console. If I delete this and if I retry this, then it will take some time to create my virtual environment and generate all these files, static template and app.py file. And after that, cls didn't work. Okay, so no problem, I will check that later, maybe it is clear. Flask app to-dos list. So inside that, another app has been created, as you can see, to-dos list inside to-dos list. So it's not working actually, so I will just leave it like this, and I will do cls and like this. So I hope that you have understood how we have created kind of a utility. Just when we open our PowerShell window and write Flask app, it will give it would generate us a complete Flask project structure, the basic minimal Flask app structure. So I think I have done something wrong, so I will just do cd dot slash cls, then okay, cd to the old folder Flask course. Here if I execute this command to-dos list, then it will create my new Flask app. So this is the first project which we are going to work on, which is a to-dos list application. So I hope that you are clear how we have created this utility, and my project is also clear. My project structure has also been created, so we would be starting working on this project from the next video. So till then, stay tuned by accessing the playlist of this Flask course. So thanks for watching this video, and I will see you next time.